Good afternoon, everyone. It's Alan at Alan's Allotment here again. As promised, just a quick video to let you know that all the birds are now listed on the website, and a newsletter has been sent out to all the subscribers from the site. So if you are subscribed, you'll get an email shortly, basically to your valid email address, telling you that the birds are going to be going live on the website tomorrow evening. That's Friday the 22nd. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be now, guys. Friday the 22nd, that's tomorrow evening. The birds will be going live on the website. They'll all just go live at once at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow night. So if there's anything that you think you might like, just pop along there. And as I say, you can just shop straight online. If you want me to organise couriers, etc., contact me beforehand. If you're going to book your own couriers, don't use the email address if you pay them by PayPal for the courier to collect from. You need to contact me first. The phone number is at the bottom of every single advert. So good luck, guys. By the time everyone else had to sort through the birds and purchase what they want, there was a total of 24 lots going on there tomorrow night. So there'll be 24 birds, a good 50-50 mix of cocks and hens. So if it's something you might be interested in, pop yourself across to www.pigeons-for-sale.co.uk. Good luck, guys.